Welcome home. You will fall in love with this home and community. The open floor plan is perfect for entertaining. The kitchen has ample storage and lots of workspace. The bar area gives lots of extra seating. The sliding glass door leads to the extra large and private fenced-in backyard perfect for cookouts. The pergola with lighting over the patio sets the tone for relaxing and family fun. The master suite is separate from the other two guest rooms for added privacy. The two-car garage is an added bonus. The Windsor Park community is conveniently located just minutes to downtown Wilmington, stores, restaurants and area beaches and fabulous amenities, including a 3.5-acre recreation area, outdoor pool, the clubhouse complete with an efficiency kitchen, picnic and grilling area, and a playground for kids.